Metadog World innovates dog racing industry through initial NFT offering event. Creating a cruelty-unfastened round financial system in the metaverse.
Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, June 9, 2022/PR Newswire/Metadog World, the blockchain race tour and NFT canine racing metaverse, is establishing the gates to its preliminary non-fungible token (NFT) offering, with the crew aiming to digitize and gamify the game with over 100 years of history.
Metadog World is revolutionizing the enterprise through its use of the blockchain.
The truth of the game can create situations in which puppies are raised in worsening situations, whilst racing can motive accidents that may be fatal. There is likewise accelerated subject for puppies and their health as soon as they're now no longer racing. The nature of Metadog World will make certain that the welfare of puppies and different animals historically worried in the game do now no longer come to damage through digitalizing race puppies as NFTs at the blockchain that could race to earn. As a part of its 1.0 net platform launch approaching July 8, the ones inquisitive about Metadog World can revel in multi-useful virtual canine racing. Users will begin elevating their puppies, feeding and looking after them, education them to growth their statistics, and racing for a shot on the pinnacle prizes. There also are mechanics for buying and selling and breeding applied with inside the manor as well. 1.0 is best the beginning, and we're hoping to roll out Model 1.1 with inside the 0.33 area of the 12 months on each cell and net platforms, shared founder and CEO, Hong Lo, a former engineer at Unity Technologies with over 10 years of rebel in recreation development.
We will supply even greater complete financial functions and open up greater approaches for gamers to get worried at diverse tiers of the racing ecosystem. Let us all paintings collectively and make canine racing a spectacle for greater humans to revel in. This will come with inside the shape of canine offerings and supplies, in which customers can turn out to be shareholders of the diverse industries and make their mark with inside the metaverse. Expect the intricacies of a deliver and call for chain to return back into play, in addition to a complete rollout of the making a bet characteristic to comply with. Ultimately, Model 1.1 of Metadog World will take some other step closer to remodeling canine racing right into a safer, greater famous recreation via the metaverse. The making a bet characteristic, best to be had in international locations in which it's far legalized and supported through certified companions, will permit customers to race to earn and make the maximum in their hobby, ruled through proper transparency afforded through the blockchain. The formulation used to calculate the end result of a race may be deployed as a clever settlement at the blockchain. Each race end result may be a scene transaction for public viewing and information of the parameters. A proper sensible software of blockchain generation into digital sports activities making a bet, he similarly added. Metadog World is likewise trying to introduce diverse canine breeds inclusive of non-race breeds consisting of Shiba Inus, Huskies, and Dachshunds, which might be greater appealing to new gamers of the game, encouraging participation of gamers from all walks of lifestyles and unite canine enthusiasts throughout the globe.
Part of the sales may be used to aid the companies which might be operating on canine welfare troubles mainly and animal safety in general, stated founder and CEO, Hong Lu.
Metadog World is now open for fundraising of $1.8 million for 12% of the token proportion with inside the private round.
With a roadmap that consists of network expansion, list on exchanges, a cell launch, and preliminary DX offering, and greater deliberate for the relaxation of 2022, there's an awful lot to appearance ahead to. Interested companions can touch the crew through business@metadogworld.io for greater data at the fundraising details. For greater data on Metadog World, go to the authentic website and comply with on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord.
About Metadog World.
Metadog World is a blockchain race to earn NFT canine racing metaverse in which customers can take part in canine races, properly breed NFT puppies, overall performance upgrades through education to growth fulfillment rates, proportion buying and selling of the stadiums to earn earnings crafted from organizing races, take part in obvious making a bet and different incomes functions,